Internet is filled with freelancers, but finding a true helping hand is difficult. You go to the internet, post for jobs, and you get numerous cover letters, and you get confused as whom to choose. The best way of picking up a freelancer is by referring to their portfolio. If he has any similar project that he has done in past, you are good to set him up for your project. Here are some pointers that you can consider to check. Profile rating. Number of ongoing work in progress in portfolio. Any relevant likes such as YouTube channel and the content. Send him a message to find out if he has something special to offer which suits your requirement. I am pretty sure that these pointers will help you to pick the right person, and if you are looking for a video editor, feel free to check Ram's profile and send him a quick message to discuss.